much down here. Who knows what
You
people
know what?
expect?
Above the eyes, always risky. He's 42 years of old age. Just for all the fans in there, the doctor's the one that stopped it, not the fighter. So a second round referee technical decision featuring McCully Baker. He's off to one about his professional boxing career. There's Emmanuel Trololifty. His teammate up, so 2 wins there for Team Ultimate and Thomas Crossing.
I feel like I was the next.
Cully Baker definitely enjoying himself in centre ring. And Peter Bishop Ryan, the cruiserweight division. And next up we've got David Drakematch against Zach Fernandez, a light heavyweight bout. Then we got Willis Smith, who's currently undefeated centre, no 6 KO to his name against Julian Esteban Ruiz from Argentina, the man